Okay, so this was a cake I made about 10 years ago, and a customer contacted me and wanted to have it in the figure 3. So I had to get to work. So I had to bake two 10 inches cake, round cake, because I'm not going to buy a figure 3 mold, no. So I had to cut it out myself. So two 10 inches cake, and I am just cutting out to shape to get the figure 3 shape. I was able to get that right, and I just had to cover the cake in butter icing first, layered it up, covered it in butter icing. The butter icing I use is the normal American butter icing, and it tastes really well. It comes out good on all of my cakes. So I covered it, crumb coated it with butter icing first, and then put it in the fridge to set for about 15 minutes. And here am I going over the cake with chocolate ganache. So chocolate ganache is something I really like to work with when I'm working with fondant, because it helps set the cake and gives it a structure to work with. I have tried working with butter icing on the fondant and I don't like how it comes out. So butter icing to crumb coat, and then ganache to set it all in before I put my fondant. So I put that in the fridge to set, and this is the cake. This is it, guys. I covered it in fondant and designed it, and this is what it looks like.